Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Kia Sportage. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench, an oil drain pan, a new oil filter, and about 5 quarts of fresh engine oil. Make sure your Sportage is parked on a flat surface and the engine has cooled down. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Locate the oil drain plug underneath the engine. Now, place your oil drain pan directly under the drain plug. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old, dirty engine oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, you can replace the drain plug. Once logged in, locate the specific quarterly percentage tax form. This is usually found under a File Returns or Declarations section. Carefully enter your total gross sales or receipts for the 3-month period. The system will often assist in calculating the tax due, typically 3% of your gross sales or receipts, depending on your business type. Review all entries meticulously to prevent errors, as corrections can be time-consuming. Finally, it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Remove the oil fill cap and carefully pour in about 5 quarts of the recommended oil, such as 5W20 or 5W30. Replace the cap, then start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, and then check the oil level with the dipstick. Ensure there are no leaks around the drain plug or the new filter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.